how are you? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Mincy from my science closet. And as you just saw, I just did some workout. I'm currently doing the Transform program of Boho Beautiful. And it's just amazing. It's really hard, but it's really good and I like it. I didn't show you much because it's a paid program, so she worked really hard to put that out there for all of us, and I don't think it's a good thing to just show it to you. But anyway, I'm currently waiting for my bro to finish his workout and then we're going to do some yoga. And right now I'm preparing some tea and having the ginseng matcha. And I'm going to work a little bit while he works out, organize all the things that I have to do. And today I want to show you the smoothies that I have, because I just looked to my past videos and I no longer have those smoothies like with those ingredients, because obviously my diet has changed. I really want to show you how my journey is going into building this healthy lifestyle, and I want to share today my two absolute most how do you say, drinked smoothies, I guess. So yeah, I guess I'm just going to share with you like my favorite drinks. So yeah, I'm just going to take this with me, work a little bit, and then I'll show you the ingredients that the smoothies have, and I'll explain why I chose those ingredients and how they can benefit your health. And yeah. Feeling good. Smoothie time. Smoothie. Or you want to have a shower first?
Smoothie and a shower.
I'm going to feel so lonely when I do these things without you. I'm so tired. I've been working like crazy. Now it's snack time, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the chocolate smoothie. I'm feeling like something chocolate, so like this is actually the perfect time. But yeah, I'm going to take advantage of this time, do a little break, and have my amazing chocolate smoothie. So this is where I'm currently working today. Whenever I have to work a lot in the house, I try to change from my bedroom to the dining room so that I don't go crazy. So I'm working here, and as I'm taking a break right now, I'm going to go ahead and play to the Sims. This was the game that I played a lot when I was a teenager, and the other day I just missed it so much. I just felt like playing. So I got it, and I'm going to show you. I cannot believe I am 28 years old and I am playing the game that I used to play when I was a teenager, but I love it. I love this game so much, and I feel it relaxes me. Yeah. So while it loads, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have a little break while I have my smoothie. So good. And then keep on working a little bit more. So this is my village, this is where I live, and this is my house. Oh my god, I love this game so much. I don't know if she looks much like me, but that's the best that I could do. This is my beautiful house. I decorated it. Where's she going? Oh, she's going jogging. Oh no, she's going to the swimming pool. Yay! So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing now. I'm just going to relax, play a little bit to The Sims, breathe, have my amazing smoothie, and yeah, so this is basically the video of today. I just wanted to do a little update on how I have my smoothies now and the ingredients that they have. I just really hope this video brought some knowledge to you about the ingredients that I'm using and the health benefits that they can give you. I really hope that you are staying safe, that you're well, that you're taking care of yourself, that you're loving yourself. If you want to let me know what type of diet you're doing or how you make your smoothies, go ahead and leave it down below in the comments. And you know what to do. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified with my new videos. I really hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next video. Mwah.